We are frying chicken breast that has been cut to the size of chicken tenders. Season with salt, black pepper, meat tenderizer, adobo, and hot sauce. Y'all keep watching because we are about to cook this chicken to a golden brown perfection. This chicken will be used in a salad that I will show you all toward the end of the video. But please keep watching, y'all. This chicken was so delicious. It's really easy, quick, simple. Just follow me. Keep watching. Y'all see the inside of that chicken? I just wanted to show it to you. Y'all, this right here is the only way to make chicken. Okay, here is a picture of a salad that we will be putting those delicious fried chicken tenders into. Thanks for watching, and guys, please consider subscribing to the channel. Y'all be blessed.